Hello guys, in this video, how to tag channel will show you how to use your computer browser to upload a photo to Instagram without using a smartphone. You can use the web console feature in Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Instagram is designed to be mobile only. Here are a few options for uploading directly from your computer to Instagram without using a phone. You can now post photos to Instagram from your computer. To upload photos on Instagram from PC, be it Windows or Mac, it's really simple and easy. You don't need to download any third-party application. If you log into your Instagram from your computer, your feed and profile will look similar to the phone, but you won't have the option to upload photo. A lot of people look at this and assume that you cannot upload photo on Instagram from PC. But that is not completely correct. There is a way how to upload photos on Instagram from desktop computer, Windows or Mac or laptop without any apps. Without wasting much time, let's quickly into the step-by-step instruction on how to upload photos on Instagram from PC. First option, using Mozilla Firefox. Click New Private Windows and then menu, then web developer and web console. Don't forget to tick responsive design mode. Go to the Instagram on the Firefox and then click login and enter username and also the password. Click not now. The feature for uploading the photos still not shown. Click No device selected and select the Apple iPhone. Now the icon plus sound for uploading the photos. Click the icon plus and select the image or photos. This is for the example. You can see in the screen the photos is on progress for uploading. Click next and fill the description of the photos. And click share button. Now the photos has been uploaded to the Instagram. You can see in the screen the photo is on the Instagram, has been uploaded using the PC, not a smartphone. It's the second example. Click next and fill the description. and click share. The second photo has successfully uploaded to the Instagram using the PC. That is how to upload the photo to the Instagram from PC using Mozilla Firefox. The other option is using Google Chrome. Click New Incognito Windows and then More Tools and Developer Tools. Don't forget, click the Toggle Device toolbar. Access the Instagram web page and then click Login on the Instagram and fill the username on the Google Chrome and also the password of the Instagram. Click Not Now. You can see in the screen there is the icon plus for the uploading the photos. This is the third example or the first example. Upload the photo to the Instagram from PC using Google Chrome. It's the same way. Fill the description and share. The other example, we will use the logo. How to tag channel. You can also flip, down, up, rotate, next. Fill the description of the photos. Click share. There are 4 photos has been successfully uploaded to the Instagram from PC using Mozilla Firefox and also using Google Chrome. This is the last example on how to upload the photos to the Instagram from PC using Google Chrome. Fill the description and click share. There are 5 photos has been successfully uploaded to the Instagram from PC using Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. See you